To last a few years in this economy is quite the feat, but 10, 20, even 50 years, well, that's quite the feat as well. But 100? Well, that's positively unheard of anymore. Well, that is exactly what Foredom has done. They opened their doors in 1922 and are still going strong today in 2022. And to celebrate, they have put together a very special limited edition anniversary version of their SR motor. So let's jump in and take a look at this special edition flex shaft and see what it looks like. To begin, this flex shaft comes in this beautiful solid mahogany box. We have this beautiful little clasp, and let's open it up and see what we have inside. To begin, we have a letter from Richard Malici, the company's president, thanking you and also recognizing that they are celebrating 100 years of service to our communities. You also have a certificate of authenticity. Each of these machines is numbered. There are 1,008. This one happens to be number 92. Of course, you still have your operation manual. And they've also put together a special 30-piece accessory kit for this special edition. You have your Foredom Flex Shaft lubricant. That's going to help you keep this in working condition, as well as some fun stickers celebrating their 100 years of business. Now this is where we start to step into the special edition of this. We have a 100th anniversary limited edition number 30 handpiece. And while it features our standard chuck key from Foredom, the handpiece itself is done in black and gold. And this is in homage to the original handpieces that came out when they first put out their flex shaft motors. Opening up the box a little further, you're going to see that we have our standard variable speed foot control. And then we get to the other fun part of this special edition. And here we have our flex shaft motor. You'll notice that it is a little bit different than other motors in the fact that the housing is completely black, as well as the black connector for our flex shaft tubing. And again, this is done in homage to the original flex shaft motors, which also had that black housing. In addition to being the new beautiful black housing, we have the forward, the reverse, as well as your off operations, and it still has your 18,000 RPM motor. Now you might ask, do we really need to have this? No, absolutely not. However, it is something that is kind of fun to celebrate that anniversary. It is a very limited edition. Only 1,008 were ever made. So if you would like to own your own little piece of history and have one of these special edition Foredom flex shafts, I wouldn't wait too long. Many of the retailers have a very small supply on hand, and they are going kind of quick. Congratulations to Foredom Flex Shaft, and thank you for 100 years of service to our different artist and fabricating and manufacturing communities. Thank you for creating such a great tool.